Ashanti definitely slayed, but Suzie slayed too.
Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie, and I am back at it with a banging ass video. If you're new to my channel, what's good, what's poppin', what it do, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up because I know y'all gonna like it already. And if you're returning, what's good, what's poppin', sis, you already know what it is. But anyways, y'all, I am going to be showing y'all how I achieved this banging ass dress right here, because what, $400? That's how much they paid for it. And guess how much I paid for mine? $11.97. Cause period. Cause a pussy hoe could never, period. But anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and continue watching. Ashanti definitely slayed, but Suzie slayed too. Hey babe, so we're gonna get right into it. These are the pants I picked up at Walmart for $11.97. Y'all don't mind my deodorant in the beginning of the video. I literally just got out the shower. But anyways, these are the pants. I tried them on, and y'all, oh my god, I thought this was actually super cute. It really, like, you know, scoped the body. I really liked it. Like, I actually will wear it. But anyways, let's get into it. So I'm gonna flip one side of the legs up, and I tried it on so I can know where I want to cut the skirt. Yeah, I'm getting over a cold, so don't mind me. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut a straight line across. So y'all will be seeing me looking back and forth into my phone. I actually found the dress online. I'm gonna insert it. It was actually $400. So y'all, I'm gonna take my chalk. Y'all really can't see it, so but I'm basically looking at the picture and tracing. So yeah. So y'all, literally I was just eyeballing this. I think I did a really good job. I didn't know how long it should be, but I did everything accordingly. So this is me trying to show y'all the traces. I went ahead and traced everything that I need. Now it's time to go in with the scissors and do our cutting. We got everything cut out. These are the pieces that you should have. Y'all, the dress was definitely inspired by Ashanti. She definitely wore that dress. So I'm not sure if y'all was paying attention, but there is a dark blue line, and I want that on the crack. So I put the dress on accordingly, and I'm using my chalk so I can know where I need to cut it. So now I'm going to basically go in with the seam and sew it up all around the dress in all the areas that I need. Some areas I didn't show. I didn't feel like y'all needed to see the whole part, but I showed enough. So I tried a new zigzag pattern, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the skirt part. Y'all, this is one of the bra parts. We're going to go ahead and do the seams on these as well. So I'm really loving this threading pattern. I use the zigzag. It's actually coming out super neat. We're gonna make two straps for around the neck part. Literally, we're gonna fold it in half and sew. I'm gonna take my loop turner and turn it to the right side. Y'all, this is literally the last part. We're doing the straps for the back. Okay, so now that we have all the seams together, we're going to take the 2 bra parts and the straps and go ahead and attach those. Okay, y'all, so now with the rings, y'all, I found these at Walmart in like the tool section. My best friend told me to go over there and look, and they was there. They not super heavy, but they're a little heavy. But anyways, I'm going to take the pants, you know what the elastic part was? I cut like 8 pieces, and I turned the inside out and cut off the elastic. I was happy that it was black, because I feel like it blends more with the dress. So we got about 8 pieces, and we're going to go ahead and start putting that together on the dress. Yeah, I thought it was going to be super hard, but I had to come up with something because I wasn't sure how they had it attached to the dress. So I came up with my own method, and it worked out pretty fine. So basically, y'all, with this part, you want to make sure you have it as close as possible. So I did use the zipper base. With this also, you can pull the elastic so you can put it in the right spot while you're threading. And I did all of that. I didn't get like super detailed with it, but I explained it's the best way I can. So this is the second ring attached to the bra part, and now we're going to attach the skirt to that like so, and bam, that's it. Okay, babe, so y'all, this is the final and finishing look. Let me show y'all. I'm so excited about this. Like I said, y'all, this dress was hard, but I did it. My only thing is it could have been a little more fitted at the top, but I did it, period. Hold on, let me let it down a little bit for y'all can see. I'm got the camera up like I'm tall. Okay, but yeah. Oh, that's better. So yep, this is the dress. I made this out of some pants, some big ass sleep pants. But yes, period. And guess how much this dress cost, y'all? $400. And I made it for $11.97. That's period. Ooh. Let me know what y'all think. I'm excited about this one, y'all. Like, I'm really excited. This dress took me some time. When I say it took me some time, y'all, it really took me some time, but I did it though. It only took me 2 days, but when I say some time, like that second day, because the first day I kind of like did my cutting and all that stuff, and then I had to figure out how I was going to get these on there. But y'all, I did it. I'm really excited about this one. Like, cause what? Y'all, how Fat Joe, like, let me tell y'all this. How Fat Joe hyped, you know what? Let me just.
So Ashanti comes in, I'm like, Jesus Christ. What part of the Fat Joe hyping her up is this? In all the years I've known her, she never looked better.
Yeah, y'all, this is it. But how Fat Joe hyped her up, oh my God. It was like a must. And then I went to Walmart and I seen this similar pattern. I'm like, yes, I gotta do it. I have to. Y'all, I can't stop showing y'all. I'm so excited. I can't even stop moving. Like, I definitely did it with this one. It's period. But what y'all think? Got a little boob action going. Not much, but a little boob action. Yo, I snapped, period. I don't care. I don't care. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Rate this dress from 0 to 10, 10 being the baddest, you know, like, you know, okay, cause yo, I be playing so much. But yes, this is the dress. I love it. I'm hot, y'all. I just got the shower. I got my shea butter on. Speaking of shea butter, my girl our Lennox has dropped y'all, I thought she was dropping the whole album last night at 12, but I got up this morning. I didn't wait for her, but I got up this morning, so I'm like on my way back. I'm like, I'm definitely gonna listen to this Ari Lennox album, right? And guess what? It was just one song called Pressure, and I love it. I can't wait for the whole album. But anyways, yes. Let me know what y'all think about the dress. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I love you guys oh so much. I was trying to get y'all another little snippet of the dress. But anyways, yes, I love you guys oh so much. Make sure y'all follow me on my social media pages. Follow me on my TikTok. But yeah, and I'm out. Peace.